Perfekto. So, wir starten natürlich ein neues Spiel, weil was können. Aber erst gucken wir, ob das alles doch noch so stimmt. Bla 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 bla. Jo. Kampfschwierigkeit natürlich auf leicht. Wir hätten ja noch Auto. Aber das ist dann nur so Drive-by-Shooting und da bin ich nicht so gut bei Shooter. Schwer sowieso. Ja. Natürlich lassen wir das auf leicht. Ich glaube, es hackt. So.
Hello. Who are you? Doesn't matter. Welcome. You're safe with me. I'll be right here, nice and close so I can speak without alerting the others. Let me tell you about Senua. Her story has already come to an end, but now it begins anew.
What's happening? It's breathing. The head. It's breathing. It's breathing. He knows she's getting closer. He can feel her coming closer. She's getting closer. They're watching. The head.
They're watching. This is a journey deep into darkness. There will be no more stories after this one.
What is she doing? Why is she doing this? They're watching. Why doesn't she feel you coming? She's doing this for him. She wants to rescue him. He's already done. I can feel you coming. Quiet.
Oh, how rude of me. I never told you of the others. You hear them too, right? They've been around ever since the tragedy. Well, that's not quite true. Some are old, some are new, but they've changed. I think the darkness changed them, just like it changed her.
Can you see them? Over there. Why isn't she looking? Why aren't you looking?
It's in hell. Look, up ahead. You see it too?
You promised you came.
Yes. It is real after all. She's finally arrived in the land of mist and fog. The place the Northmen call Hell.
Turn back. Go back. It's not safe.
Go back.
It's not safe.
It's there. They're here.
You see them? I can see you.
Look around and you will see them. The drowned, the sick, the slain. Here they lie, rotting in the fields and rivers of hell. But the dead don't always lie still here.
You see them?
This is not a place of rest.
You can't do this. Go back. They're going to do that to you. Can you see them? Can you see them? They're going to do that to you.
They're watching.
Stop.
Can you feel them watching? They're watching her.
Watching her. You're so close to the darkness. Go back. Can you feel it?
What is she thinking? I can tell you. She's afraid. Wouldn't you be? You'd think she would get used to it by now after so many years. But the darkness, It just builds onto itself, growing stronger, towering over her. You might try and ignore it, turn away. But it's always there, just out of sight, where you're most vulnerable. It's like it knows that just enough light is all you need to see its suffocating power. You might think she's brave to go on this journey on her own, but it isn't bravery that drives her. Bravery only means something to those afraid of death. Senua's fear runs far, far deeper. What is she looking at? What is she leaving behind? I know what she's thinking. I hear her thoughts. It's not too late to get into the boat and go back. No one will judge her. No one will ever know. Oh, she heard us. There's no going back.
You can't do it.
Senua pushes away a world that conspired to cause so much suffering. There's nothing to go back to, and worse to look forward to. Why don't you join us? Maybe you too have a part to play in this story.
Ei, Gude. Ich bin die sexy männliche Stimme, die sie im Kopf hat. Ja. Das Ding ist... Ich hoffe, dass das klappt. Ich habe meine Stimme nicht so laut gemacht. Eben genau aus dem Grund.
She needs to focus now.
Ja,
She
ist
needs
so
to use her
gut.
eyes.
Boah, ey, Alter. Falls das irgendjemand mal spielt, Kopfhörer benutze. Die scheiß Stimme im Kopf. Ja, es ist ja neues Spiel. Ich finde interessant, dass die weiße Dinger, wo da sind, ich glaube, das ist noch, wo ich sie letztens gefunden habe. Also die, wo ich gefunden habe, die Lava-Poste da. Okay, so viel habe ich nicht gefunden und es fehlen ein paar, wie man sieht. Dann lass mal den mal labern, ne?
Do not forget my stories, Senua. Because your darkness comes from hell, and your fate lies there. They say the burning of a corpse will take you straight to Hela's gate, but gods and the living will follow this path. You must leave the Isles of Orkney across the eastern sea, and find a road that leads north and down through deep, dark valleys. After 9 nights of riding, you will follow a great river, and will find a bridge covered in gold. The path to Helheim goes from there, across the river of knives that flows from the dark world of Niflheim.
Ich will eigentlich gar nicht rennen.
Darkness is coming.
Ich renne nicht von meiner Angst weg.
Yeah,
Und ich drehe mich ja nicht dauernd rum.
hunger's for Right back on the
Renne nicht
walls.
vor etwas Unsterblichen davon.
But she's not stopping.
Trägt sein Auge.
Not this time.
Mein Sohn, es war ein Nebelstreif. Tochter.
Can you see it?
The land of mist and fog.
He's in there.
The old fool was right.
He's in there. You see him?
What was it he said? The river of knives across which lies the halls of hell. The place they call Helheim.
He's lost. He's lost.
Where are you? I hear you.
He's there. You know it.
There's no doubt about
He's
it.
lost.
The source of the darkness is in Helheim,
You'll never find him. They're called.
and the goddess Hela holds his soul there. Her dear beloved, Dillian.
So, Moruppe,
What is she doing? Why is she doing this?
labern
What
jetzt.
is she doing? She's doing this for him.
Ich hab halt vor, so alle halb Stunden Katze mache, Päuschen oder so.
His His soul
Ja,
still
einfach nur,
lives.
damit ich nicht 3 Stunden am Stück spiele und dann ist irgendwas kaputt gehen. Das wird nicht schön.
She needs to lay him to rest. He's already dead. She can save him. There's nothing she can do. She'll never make it. She cannot let him what?
Kann ich eigentlich ertrinken? So euch will ich nicht.
The bridge to Helheim.
Where are we?
I forget its name. She forgets too. But she does remember that only the dead may cross it. That part wasn't so easy to forget. The old fool said there was a hidden path up to it. Let's see, shall we?
Was heißt denn du, alter Depp? Der sagt immer die Wahrheit. Boah, das ist was auf allem immer stimmt. Oder ist er? Ein Lavastell. Ja, da gehen wir dann mal hin, hä? Okay, Lavastellen, Treppe. Ach, ich geh jetzt zum Lavastell.
The Northmen speak of 9 worlds. The world of men they call Midgard. Sky gods dwell in Asgard. The gods of earth, harvest, wind, and sea dwell in Vanaheim. The good elves dwell in Alfheim. The evil ones dwell in Svartalfheim. The mountain giants dwell in Jotunheim. The fire giants dwell in Muspelheim. Niflheim is the world of ice and darkness. Only the dead dwell in Helheim. And that is where you must travel.
Warum denn? Sag mal, wann doch da quasi die Sonne scheint. Und es rennt. Warum ist da kein Regenbogen?
You don't know where you're going.
Halt das Maul, ey. Oh, ich hoffe, dass man... Ich hoffe, dass man die Stimmen, die im Surround im Hinterkopf sind, dass man die Stimme A hört. Ich ist das gerade sehr seltsam, wenn man das Video hört und man hört mich so...
What's she waiting for?
Alter, jetzt lachen wir wieder aus. Und man hört mich dann so... Ja, ruhig, ey. Könnte man ja denken, dass ich bekloppt bin.
No, this is it. The hidden path.
Die Dutch 100 Pro tragen. Die Dutch... Oh.
Dangerous.
Don't kill me.
Was? Nicht
I'm
tragen
not one of
Dutch?
them. Don't listen. I was just hiding.
Heiden?
I find I live longer that way. Don't listen. I never let the bastards catch me again. Never! Wait. Who are you? It's just a memory.
Ruth? Is that you?
For my tales of the Northmen, they call me Druth. A liar. An old fool. Druth is my truth.
It's good to see you again. You kept your vow.
Guide you in this life and the next. I will tell you my stories of hell, if I may walk with you.
Tell me your stories again, old friend. I'm listening.
The runes seal the gates to hell. Focus your inner eye, and you too will see what's hidden in plain sight.
Look,
I can see one.
Hold it in your mind's eye.
focus.
Find one like it to open the gate.
If you focus. It's just
So, damit hätten wir auch das Gameplay-Ding Nummer 1. Keine Ahnung, ich bin nicht zu viel. Ach, guck mal du.
It's near. Focus. Look towards the gate. And the gate will open.
Jetzt eigentlich schon dran gedatscht. Jetzt darfst du dran datschen.
the gate is open. Go through the gate. Go through it.
Oh.
It's dangerous.
Geht von alleine weg, einer, dann schieb einfach rum.
What's behind the gate? Where will it take you? It's not safe.
It worked!
Aber jetzt mal ohne Scheiß, ne?
I spent 6 years enslaved in hell.
Go through it. It's
But I
dangerous.
watched the
Follow it.
Northmen.
What's behind the gate?
Learned their
Where will it
ways.
take you? It's
I
not
know you
safe.
did.
You listened when everyone else laughed. My people paid a heavy price. Carry my stories with you, and together we will make the Northmen feel our fury.
Ja, was ich sagen wollte ist, das ist ein fucking Riesentor. Ich habe keine Ahnung, wie lange das Tor jetzt schon ist.
Another
Metall
voice
und
joins
so.
us.
Aber es ist
She
ganz
was trying
nix
to make them go away.
geschmiert. Ne?
Pretend they weren't real. But what good is that? When we are always here.
Die mir nicht dauernd hinbabbeln wird, ne? Perfekter Zeitpunkt, um ein Bettelchen zu machen. Einfach so, merkt keiner. Vielleicht die, wo du unten wegwäscht, aber gut. Ich würd immer Spaß. Aber sowas.
stand on the edge. Pretend it's going to be okay. But you know that death is near, waiting for you to make that little slip. You can't just wish things away.
She's brave. She's just...
Stu, give it a go. Go on.
You can't fall. If you fall, you will die.
Alter. Alter. Ne, ich habe keine Höheangst. Also, zumindest nicht im Spiel. Das Problem ist, du weißt nicht, wohin du drücken sollst zum Ausbalancieren. Oh geil, Lava-Felsen. Du weißt nicht, wohin du drücken sollst zum Ausbalancieren. Der Oberkörper nur links dreht, dann drückst du nur rechts und dann fallst du noch mehr. Ja, drückst du einfach in beide Richtungen.
The world of the dead is ruled by the giantess, Hela, daughter of Loki. The gods feared her bloodline, bad on her mother's side and yet much worse on her father's. So, as a child, the All-Father cast her down into Helheim and gave her power over those who die of sickness, age, hardship, and self-slaughter. In all of the 9 worlds, only Hela can resurrect the dead. To Hela, your Dillion was sacrificed, and with her you must bargain.
Stay back. Look at it. You have to open it.
The gate to Helheim divides the living from the dead. Is that the face of Hela herself? A half-rotten goddess that rules over Helheim. Whatever horrors lie behind that door, she must find him. Shh. Someone's here. I'll give you what you want. I won't resist anymore. Just give him back.
Will ich schon wieder arbeiten? Stimmt, ich hab's gebissen. Ja geil, Kämpfe. Was soll ich sagen? Oder ich bin einfach. Fick dich. Geht noch.
You can do it. You're close. He's finished. He's hurt. There's blood.
Alter. haut einfach ab. Ich krieg den.
A vision of what's to come. Poor Senua. The darkness does not bargain. It does not reason. It is rot. And now it has taken hold. It will spread towards her head, the seat of the soul, until there is nothing left of her.
Nicht ganz.
All of her suffering will have been for nothing. It's just a matter of time.
Permadeath.
The hardest battles are fought in the mind. That is what Dillian taught her. With every defeat, the dark rot will grow and soon it will take her soul. But for now, at least, she still has control of her mind. And she will fulfill her vow, whatever the cost.
He's not right.
Listen to me, Senua. The goddess Hela lies behind the gate to Helheim. To open the gate, you must first face the gods that guard it. The god of fire, Surt, and the god of illusion, Valravn. Spill their blood to open the gate to Helheim and enter the land of the dead.
To Dillian.
To his soul. It won't open.
How will she get
Why won't it?
Lava nicht.
Why can't
Erst
she?
mal gucken, ob's
She
aufgeht.
needs to challenge the gods.
She has to fight two gods
To
first.
open the gate,
Ach so.
you must first face the gods that
Alter,
guard it.
Videospiellogik. Komm,
The
trink
god
mal.
of fire, Surt, and the god of illusion, Valravn. Spill their blood to open the gate to Helheim and enter the land of the dead.
So. Okay, das Ding ist, ich habe die zweite schon gemacht. Ich habe angefangen mit dem Rabe Fuzzi. Oh, das ist so scheiße. Oh, ich bin so zu blöd vor. Oh, das war richtig schlimm. Und deswegen mache ich dann wieder zuerst, weil... Ja. Das Feuerding, das fand ich cool. Ja, okay, waren ein paar Suchrätsel dabei. Aber grundsätzlich fand ich schon in Ordnung. Aber zuerst lasse ich mal was von der Kuh erzählen. Und dann nochmal gleich Päuschen.
The Northmen say that in the beginning there was nothing but darkness. Bitter cold to the north, fiery hot to the south. They say the cold formed ice, which melted from the sparks from the south. The power of the darkness gave life to the dripping ice, and the first giant was born, and was named Ymir. The ice continued to drip, And the power of the void gave life to it, and it became a cow whose milk fed the giant. That's right, a cow. But you weren't expecting that.
Bester Witz. So, dann machen wir nur Not her weiter, ne?